नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्लास 12th फिजिक्स चॅप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट रोटेशनल डायनॅमिक्स एक्झरसाइज सोल्युशन्स पाहणार आहोत. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पासून ते क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 पर्यंत जेवढे काही MCQ आणि थेरॉटिकल क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते कव्हर करणार आहोत. उर्वरित जे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 पासून ते न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत, जे मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करून सांगणार आहे. तर मित्रांनो, बघूया थेरॉटिकल क्वेश्चन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन्स. फर्स्ट MCQ आहे, when seen from below, the blades of a ceiling fan are seen to be revolving anticlockwise and their speed is decreasing. Select correct statement about the direction of its angular velocity and angular acceleration. its answer आहे ऑप्शन बी, angular velocity downwards, angular acceleration upwards. त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन सुद्धा दिलेलं आहे. Second MCQ आहे, a particle of mass 1 kg tied to a 1.2 meter long string wheeled to perform vertical circular motion under gravity. Minimum speed of a particle is 5 meter per second. Consider following statement. P. Maximum speed must be 5 root 5 meter per second. Q statement. Difference between maximum and minimum tension along the string is 60 Newton. Select the correct option. Correct option is B. Only the Q statement is correct. Third MCQ. Select the correct statement about the formula of moment of inertia in terms of mass m of the object and sum of its distance parameter such as r, l, etc. So the correct option is B. When rotating about their central axis, a hollow right circular cone and a disk have the same expression for the moment of inertia. Fourth MCQ. In a certain unit, the radius of gyration of a uniform disk about its central and transverse axis is under root 2.5. Its radius of gyration about tangent in its plane in the same unit must be. So the correct option is B, 2.5. Fifth MCQ. Consider following cases. P. A planet revolving in an elliptical orbit. Q. A planet revolving in a circular orbit. Principle of conservation of angular momentum comes in a force in which of these? Correct option is C for both P and Q. Sixth MCQ. A thin wall hollow cylinder is rolling down an incline without slipping. At any instance, the ratio rotational kinetic energy as to translation kinetic energy as to total kinetic energy is. So the correct option is D, 2:1:3. Question number 2. Answer in brief. First question, why are curved roads banked? So the answer is here, you can see. Second question, do we need a bank road for a two-wheeler? Explain. Here is the answer. Third question, on what factors does the frequency of a conical pendulum depends? Is it independent of some factors? Here is answer. Fourth question, why is it useful to define the radius of gyration? Here is answer. Fifth question, a uniform disk and a hollow right circular cone have the same formula for their moment of inertia when rotating about their central axis. Why is it so? Here is answer. Question number 3. While driving along an unbanked circular road, a two-wheeler rider has to lean with the vertical. Why is it so? With what angle the rider has to lean? Derive the relevant expression why such a leaning is not necessary for four-wheeler. So here is answer with the diagram. Question number 4. Using the energy conservation, derive the expression for the minimum speed at different locations along a vertical circular motion controlled by gravity. Is zero speed possible at uppermost point? Under what conditions? Also prove that the difference between the extreme tension depends only upon the weight of the object. So here is answer. Question number 5. Discuss the necessity of radius of gyration. Define it. On what factor does it depend and it does not depend? Can you locate some similarity between the center of mass and radius of gyration? What can you infer if a uniform ring and a uniform disk have the same radius of gyration? So here is the answer, you can see. Question number 6. State the condition under which the theorems of parallel axis and perpendicular axis are applicable. State respective mathematical expression. So here is answer. Question number 7. Derive an expression that relates angular momentum with the angular velocity of a rigid body. So here is the answer with the diagram. Question number 8. Obtain an expression relating the torque with angular acceleration for a rigid body. Here is the answer. Question number 9. State and explain the principle of conservation of angular momentum. Use a suitable illustration. Do we use it in our daily life? When? So here is answer. Question number 10. Discuss the interlink between translation, rotational and kinetic energies of a rigid object that rolls without slipping. Answer is. Question number 11. A rigid object is rolling down an inclined plane. Derive expressions for the acceleration along the track and the speed after failing through a certain vertical distance. So here is the answer with the diagram. तर मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पासून ते क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 पर्यंतचे थेरॉटिकल क्वेश्चन्स होते. यापुढचे जे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत ते न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. ते आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन बघूयात. तर मित्रांनो, हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर ह्या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. आपल्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. भेटूया लवकरच पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद.